Hello everyone.
Hello, Shri.
Hello, Shri.
So start our session in 1 minute. Okay, it's very less join us. Okay, we'll start the session. Uh, okay. Did anyone is having any doubts in yesterday's class? If any doubts, you can ask your doubts.
Yes,
Nothing from my end, Shri.
can you give a small about TR,
Okay.
transport request?
I think TR we would see from start, right, today? That's what we discussed yesterday, right, Shri?
Sorry.
For the TR side, you mentioned it. We'll be studying that in detail today. The transport request and all.
Yeah. Like I will create and I will show you everything. I'm just asking you, like,
Yeah.
in yesterday's session, if you have any doubts, you can ask. Okay. Think so. Okay. So I will take it as a no. So let's start our session now. Let me share my screen first. My screen is visible now, right?
Yes.
20 user 39. Okay. So what is the T code for the transport organizer? Anyone remember?
SC SC09
Good.
Or is it?
yeah SC10.
Yeah, you can use that as well. Okay. So I have opened SC09 now. So I'll just explain you in high level for now, like about the actualization. Okay. So transport request, so, we can call it as a TR. TR in the sense, TR will be used to capture the objects, and it will allow us to transport the data into the further environment or further server, SAP server, you can say. Okay. So TR is in real time when you're working with 1 minute, sorry. Okay. Mm, sorry. Yeah, in real time without TR, we will not be working. TR is the main thing in our real time projects. Okay, so without TR, we will not be working like that local objects, whatever I explained in the demo session, local object, and without creating the package, it's simply showing, saving it as on the local objects at all, we will not do in the real time. Just for our training purpose or for your practice purpose, you can use without TR, without package, but in real time, we have to capture the objects in the corresponding TR as well as in the package. Package concept I will explain you. First let us complete the TR concept. Okay, so we have three types here. Okay, customizing, workbench and TOC. Mostly we will be working with this first two. So why I am not considering this TOC? Because in most of the clients, they will not be creating the TR in this SC, like using this SAP GUI, using like SC10 or SC09 transaction. They will be having some separate application which is called as a charm, CHARM. Okay, so in that application only we will be creating a TR, so that we no need to create any new subtask, sorry, I mean new TOC for it. Okay, we can use the subtask and we will release it in case, because when this TR will be released, I will tell you first. Once let me go inside first. So this is the TR I created, right? When this TR will be released, I mean this main TR subtask, you all know that when you release a subtask, then you can move the particular specific objects alone which is captured in the subtask will be moved to the further environment. Okay, but when this main TR will be released in real time, like we have two cases. uh, no, we no need to say it as a two cases in real time. If you see this may like I have told you, right, we will be having three servers: development server, quality server, and the production server. So in quality server itself, we'll be having 2 3 systems, which is for the user testing and for the SIT testing and for the FUT testing. We'll be having us 2 3 servers. It depends upon the clients. Actually, it will not be like same for all the clients. It depends. So for example, you completed the development and you have moved released the subtask, you have moved this object into the specific environment for the and we can say it as a level 1 quality server. Okay, so where they will perform the FET or SIT. Once both is completed, we will move this object or TR into the next server, which is inside the quality server only for the user testing, user acceptance testing. User will perform the testing whether the requirements meets uh, okay. Yeah, so whether the functionality meets the requirement or not, something like that they will test. Okay, so once you move to the second level server, automatically this main TR will be released. Then you cannot reuse this main TR in case if you have, if they find some bug in your code, then you cannot reuse this main TR. Maybe in that purpose we can use this TOC. Without releasing a main TR, we will first send the copy of this main TR along with our object. We will release until the actually in my projects I can say it as a UHV system, but don't remember this UHV at all, then you like you might be confused, because in every kind they will be having different name for the server, like UHV, CHV, and DHV for the development system. So something like that. Some in some clients they will be having like DUV, DSV. It depends. Okay, but always the development server will be starts with a N, and testing server will be starts with either C or U. It depends. But you no need to confuse. Like D will be for the development server for sure. Okay, for the but for the testing server will be different naming, and also for the production it will be like P. It will start with the PRD or PHS, something like that they will be having. Okay, so for that purpose transport of copies will be used. So mostly we will not be creating a transport of copies. See, that also I'm saying again, it depends upon the client. I'm not saying TOC we will not even use. Okay, we will use the TOC, but we will use it in the different way. Like we will create the charms and everything in the I mean TR or TOC in the charm application, not here. Okay, so okay, that's it about the TOC. Then workbench request is for the development purpose. Like if you want to build a new program, or if you want to do the bug fixes in your existing logic, then you can use the workbench request. Okay, then customizing request is for the configuration purpose alone, or if you want to capture the table entries in the TR, then you can that please note this point. Okay, this table entries I'm saying, right, this I will definitely explain you when we come into the table concept. Okay, just for now you can just understand, for the value capturing purpose as well we will use the customizing TR, but I will explain you when we are in the table table, what is that, table dictionary topics. Okay, so that's it about the TR here. So now I am going to create a new TR. First I will take, I don't want to make this TR dummy here, so I will delete it. Okay, now I am going to create a new TR. How to create a TR? Click on create. Now I'm going to create a workbench request. So I'm choosing the second radio button. Click on continue. Then give the short description. Test SAP ABAP TR. Okay. Then you don't need to give the project names at all. Okay. Directly you can save it. If you save it, the TR transport request will be created, and the subtask will be assigned automatically to your user ID. If you see my user ID is S22 user 39, the same will be assigned to mine. Let's wait for a second. It keeps loading. Not sure why. Okay. So the TR is created. This is the main TR. This is a subtask. You can call it as a subtask. Okay. Now Okay. Uh, just a small question to you guys. If I want to open the next session from without closing this current session, what I have to do now? What is, and also like what is the decode for open the
Slash
ABAP
O.
editor?
/o.
Slash O.
Okay.
uh,
What is the
Sir, can
decode
you
for
please
the ABAP
explain
editor?
each and everyone ABAP editor?
Yeah, ABAP editor in the sense, what
SC 38.
for the report? Yeah,
SC
for the
38.
report creation.
SE
Because I have
SE38.
not
SC
mentioned
38.
this ABAP editor name. That's why. Yeah. So
Sir,
usually
can
we
you
can
please
call it as
explain
ABAP
each and
editor.
everyone?
Hmm.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Can you please explore the definitions of each and everyone, like workbench, uh, uh, like TOC?
I didn't get you. Like I have explained right now, right? I mean, in the practical way you are asking.
Not practical way, like in definitions. I'm maintaining a notebook, so I want to write those.
No, no, don't worry, don't worry. I will send you the documents today.
Okay.
Okay, don't worry. Okay, /o SE38. Okay. Now I will create a one program. Z test from 01. Get this. Create. Give the description. I'm just for simple purpose. Simply I'm giving test program for transport request. Okay. Then choose the executable program. This include program and everything I'll explain in the following modules. Okay. Because if I explain now, definitely like you will not understand. So we'll be having separate modules for it. I mean, separate module in the sense in ABAP we'll be having you. I believe you all know that we will be having something like rise of W concept or ICEFW,
Yeah,
right?
nice. Yes.
Yeah. So when we are going into that things, then I will explain each and everything because uh, when we are in the report concept, I can complete this two first two types. When we are in the dialog or module pool programming, then I can complete this one. Okay, then function group and everything I will tell you. Subroutine as well, I can tell you everything. So for now, executable program. Okay. Package. Better. What I'm thinking. Package. Next topic is the package. Basic data types.
Actually, ideally, we should have taken this topic maybe somewhere in the middle or at the end when we have covered all the prerequisites like package and all these details, right? Because we're assuming most of the things here and just doing the changes, right?
You mean for this report types you are saying?
Yeah, whatever. Now we are creating a demo program just for our transport uh, part explanation, right? So ideally, what I think I thought like this transport we would have taken later, maybe after we could have like we have completed completed some sessions of these basic things, right?
Yeah,
Creating a
yeah,
program
yeah.
and all
You are
those
right.
things.
You are right. But this is something like very basics. So you have to know before getting into the logics.
Okay, yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
Okay. So for now, I will be capturing it in the local object. Next, we will create the package and I will tell you. Okay. Now I'm going to declare something here, or else this is just for the transport request, right? So I will just copy paste our existing program. Because if I type and everything, then again it will take some time. Then where is the report name? Yeah. So now I will save it, activate it. I mean, which program actually? This program Z1. Wait, TR is not asking. I believe we have to give the package. So we see it. 1 minute. I'll just create one dummy package now. I will show you. Then later I will cover this as well. Oh, wow. We already have the demo package. And I don't want to create demo. Okay. Next. Package. Development package. Good, good, good. See, I will choose the DR. This package I have showed now. Now what I will do now.
So while creating a package, we are allocating it the TR number. Is that the case?
Yes. Whatever you are creating, for that actually it will ask the TR.
Okay. Okay.
So test program I'm creating now from the beginning. Executable, save. Now it is asking the package. Okay. So now I will be assigning this to our package. Z demo. If you don't know the package name, then you can type something like this. And if you click type star, then if you click on F4 help, if you have something, then it will display here all the demo, like whatever you typed here, all those things it will display.
Okay.
Then you can double click this Z demo test. Okay. Then if you click on save, then it will ask the TR. This is how we have to store our report program in our TR. So if you see this is the program name, then it's asking in which TR you want to save. So if you, in case if you know the TR, you can directly give the TR here. In case if you don't know, this button is there, right? 1 minute. Let me click here. If you click here, this icon, this one we can call it as a F4 help, F4 help or a search help. But when we are saying, we can say it as a F4 help. Okay. For this as well, we have a separate concept in our ABAP, even for this button, which we can call it as a search help. So I will teach this also, like if you click this button, how the value is coming. So we can do that as well. So we will be having separate session for that. So we'll teach that. So if you click that F4 help, it will give the all the available TRs in your name. So for now I'll be having only one TR. So I can click this TR now. Just save it. That's it. This is how you have to save it. Now I will activate the program. Okay. Now I will go to SE09, then open it. Then if you see, our report program and package will be stored in our TR. This is my TR. This is the subtask. So the Z demo test pro package is stored and the program also gets saved in our TR. Okay. Any doubts in
So
the
the pro
workbench here?
the pro the program that we created, we already saved that in the same package, right? Z demo test, correct?
Yes.
But again, while in the last step that you performed, right there, we again defined the TR there, like we selected the TR, which was
Yes.
against your user ID.
Yeah.
So, so like I didn't understood that part. Now already the program is saved in the ZDemo package, which is already allocated to the above TR that
Okay.
we
Got it.
defined initially, right? So why the like why again we are redefining the TR in the last step?
Yeah, that's what. Um, each and every object in the SAP ABAP should be captured in the TR. Not only like specific to this. I mean, if this program is specific to this package, it's not like automatically this program will be allocated to this TR. For in case in this package for now we will be having only this program. Okay, but in real time for this package alone we'll be having many objects inside this package. Not only the program, we'll be having function module, function group, module pool, screen, search help, table, everything we will be capturing it with this package only going forward. Okay, so in that case I have an issue in this program, okay, which is for the different projects we can say, or different country. Okay, then you will be having the issue in some other objects which is stored in this package. Then how you will manage? Then definitely you have to use separate TR for each and every object, right? Because you, mine for different country, that will be moved to production tomorrow, but yours also for the different country, and also which is not in this program, the object also different, but yours will be moving to the production next week. Then obviously we have to use an to have separate TR, right?
So
So
basically
each and
there is no dependency. So
no,
I mean to say like the
yes,
program can be
there is no dependency.
allocated to any of it. Understood. Okay, so that was my question. So there is no like one-to-one relationship that we have to follow. It can be like one-to-many.
Yeah,
In that case, right? Okay.
yeah, you
Okay.
can say it like this. So now I'm going to release this. Okay, I have released now, but before releasing we should not directly release it. Before releasing we have to perform this all checks. I will cover this at the end of our session, not today, end of our module. Like we'll be having optimizing performance optimization technique. In that module I will cover this. Okay. Okay, so I have released now. I have released it now. Just I'm doing something here. Okay, type C. If I save, again it will ask a TRC. A new task will be created for the following request. So automatically the new task will be created. So if you click on continue, you no need to allocate it to some specific TR, because even you cannot change the TR number until or unless the main TR will be released. Once the main TR released, then only the same program will be captured. You can be captured in the different TR. So 1 minute, let me open that. Yeah. So if you click on continue, then the new task will be created for it. Then I have activated it. Then now I will go back and I will come again. Now see, this task is released. Now if you see in this subtask, you will be finding only program. Okay, and also when we are moving the objects to the further environment using the TR, you always make sure that all the subtask is released. We cannot move the only one subtask alone to the further environment. We cannot do that. All subtasks will be released, then only the system will allow us to move the changes to the further environment. Okay.
Shri, I didn't understood that about tier. How did it came? The 722 alone. I missed that part.
Yeah, like I released the subtask. Okay, once you, I have told you, right, once you released, you cannot reuse the subtask again. So I
Okay.
have released it.
Okay.
When I'm making the changes again, it will give some pop-up, do you want to create a new task? Then if you click on continue, then automatically the new task will be created. Do you want me to do that again?
Can you just show
I
that
will do
again?
it.
Sorry.
Yeah, I will,
Yeah.
I will release it now. Okay, I have released it. Just consider that the changes have been moved to the further environment, or even it's not like if it is moved to the further environment, then only we have the new task will be created. As soon as it is released, then we cannot reuse the subtask. Automatically the subtask will be created. So now not this program. So I will click on edit. See, I just clicked on edit only. New task will be created for the following request. The TR is will be showing here. If you click on continue, then a new task will be created. I will go back, come again. This is Meteor, right? So we have to make some changes. Then only it will reflect.
This is our program, the test program, right? That we are doing the changes into.
Yeah, yeah.
Sir, I have one doubt. After creation program, we can add package like
Sorry, I didn't get your question.
like I created a program
Mm-hmm.
without package. Then later I can add package to that program, or else.
Okay, later, can you change the package name you are saying? You are asking?
Yeah, yeah.
No.
Okay.
Usually, see, usually what we will follow now, for the specific project, like for, it's not like each and every object you will be creating a the package. For example, in real time, if you are in a specific project and if you are working in some substreams or any streams in your SAP ABAP environment, then for the whole project they will be having only one project package for that
No, sir. What
specific.
I'm asking is,
That's
if
what I am
I
asking. We will not change the package name. I'm saying so. Even we, it's not possible. Like we cannot change the package name. If you want to change the package, I think we can do it in the SE80, I guess, but we have never do that.
So the package is permanent for every client.
Sorry.
The package is permanent for every client.
Yes. Once you move this package to the further environment of the client, for example, in development system itself, we will be, I told you, right, in for development server itself, we will be having two three different systems. So
Yeah.
once you created the package in client 100, then the same will be reflected automatically in the client 200, 300, 400.
Okay.
Okay,
Shri,
coming to your question, related to this, I believe we cannot change it. Maybe I will check and I will come back to you on this. Okay, because we have never did this kind of things. Maybe I will check and I will come back to you.
this is one, and if we create a program locally, then
Hmm.
later I want to add package like uh, existing
Yeah,
package only.
yeah, yeah. Okay, yeah. These two questions I will note it down. Okay, then I will explain you this. But the second question is possible actually. I will explain you.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, it's a good question actually. Okay, so if you see, we can able to see the new subtask here. Okay, this is how
And
we will be working with the TR. Even for the customizing TR also the same concept. For now, we will not be doing any configuration. So, so I will not be covering the customizing TR in the practical session for now.
Shri, one question. Like while creating a package, right, we define the TR number there. Like we allocated a TR to it, right? But later,
Mhm.
suppose I want to change the TR number. I want to give some other TR number to the same package. Can we do that
Yes, we can do
reinitialization
it.
again?
Okay, so how we can do it? Your good name?
Vikrant.
Yeah, nice. It's really a great question. I thought to explain this, but I forgot. Yeah, it's nice question. So, okay, how we can do that? So, once you captured the specific object in your TR, okay, so this is my TR. I'm just double clicking this main TR. If you double click the main TR, all the details or objects captured in this TR will be displayed over here. Okay, as soon as you captured the objects, the object will be automatically logged. Okay, once it is logged, the another person cannot capture this same package or the program. I can say commonly like object. Okay, just try to understand. So once this object is logged in the to the specific TR, then some other people can not able to capture the same object in the some different TR until or unless it will be released or removed from this TR. So how to remove the object from the TR? Please note that the T code for that is /o SE03. SE03. Okay, you have to go to SE03 transport organizer tool. Okay, unlock object option is there, right? You have to double click this unlock object. Then, for example, now I'm going to remove this program. So I have to copy the subtask. Copy the subtask, paste it here, execute it, then unlock it. It's saying subtask is unlocked. Okay, now I will go here. So I will go to the subtask. Now see the this program is not locked, it is unlocked. So if you want to capture, once you unlocked itself, you can able to capture it in the different tier. Okay, that is possible one thing. But for the safer side, always what we have to do is go on edit mode, delete this from your tier. Then now see. Now save this. Now see again it is asking the tier because I have removed the object from the specific tier. Now you can choose some other tier. For now I will be having only one tier. So again I will choose it in the same tier. If you want, in case if you have multiple tier, you can change the tier later. But that's how we have to remove the object from the tier. Once you unlocked it itself, you can able to capture it in the different tier, but always we used to delete the object from the tier because we should not move that to the further environment in case if it is not part of that tier. Okay, any doubts?
No.
Okay, fine. Uh, okay, all workbench customizing TOC, everything will be same concept only. TR is common. Only the types, why we have the type is the purpose of the usage. Okay, it depends. So the T or transport organizer topic is completed now. Let's go to the difference between the SAP memory and ABAP memory. Okay, what is SAP memory? I can write everything here. Difference between SAP and ABAP memory. Okay, okay. What is SAP memory? Oh, sorry. First, I will show you ABAP memory first. Then it will be easy for you to understand. ABAP memory is a memory, okay, uh, which can be used to pass the data between one program to the another program. What do you mean? So, for example, here I have Isha Training. We have our institute name, Isha Training. Okay. So I'm writing some logic here. Then I wanted to use this value, LV data value. So this Isha Training will be stored in this variable, LV data. Okay. So in case if I want to reuse this LV data in some other program, then ABAP memory will be used. How to use? But this will be exist only in the internal session. Internal session in the sense, so for example, I have told you, right? Inside this same program itself, we will be calling the class and methods, some other report program, some other function module, everything will be calling inside this session is in this screen. Inside this report program screen, if you have multiple objects here, inside that some other object, if you want to reuse this LV data, you can use the above memory. So for that only I'm saying this exists, this value will be exist only in the internal session of the above program. Okay, it mainly used by calling the submit or call screen program. I will tell you how to use export to memory. We have two we have two ways to use this memory. One is export to memory and import from memory. All know about the export and import meaning, right? Export means from here we will be sending the value. Import means then we will receive the value from that. Okay, for example, if I want to move this variable value to some other program, so inside this program itself, export, I will write something like this: export LV data to memory. Memory, you don't need to create a separate memory. Like here, just you have to mention some namings for the memory. Memory, you have to type memory, and for now, my memory name is L1. Okay, this is the memory. So now the above program will store this LV data value in this L1 memory. During runtime only this memory will be created. Okay, so this will be saved in this memory. Once this is saved, then in the another program or a FM or anything in any other objects, but it will be specific to this in report program. In any other object, if I want to call, I mean, if I want to receive the value, I can use this import LV data from L1. So I can reuse this value. This is the ABAP memory. In real time, what we can say is, for example, program A exports the, for example, what we can say, customer material. Okay, customer, I can say customer number. Program A exports a customer number to the ABAP memory. This is the ABAP memory. Then the program B can import the customer number to process or some operation or some further process based on the requirement. So that is called as an ABAP memory. Then what is SAP memory? What is SAP memory? SAP memory also, like, the usage of the memory is the same, but here the difference is the ABAP memory will be used only specific inside this screen, but the SAP memory will be used globally. Globally means inside this SAP GUI, you can use this SAP memory anywhere else, not only in this program. You can use it in some report program or module build program, or during the data conversion you can use it, or during enhancement also you can use it. If you mention something like this SAP memory, then it will be globally available. SAP memory is something SAP memory is called as a uh, global memory.
These are hard coded, sir.
Sorry? Yes.
SUV.
No, no, no. It's not only hard coded values. During runtime also, if you fetch the data from the table, anyways, that value will be stored in any variable or work area. Okay.
Okay,
That
yeah.
variable or work area you can able to import or export it.
Okay.
Yeah, it's not only hard coded. So we can see these examples once we come into the report concept, like some most logic if you learn, then actually report means what we can say, everything will be included in the report. We will be using function model, everything,
Oh
subroutine,
yeah.
form, enhancement, everything. So that's why I'm always saying once we come into this topic you will see everything, because if I directly
Shri,
use this concept now, then you will not understand.
Like in reuse ALV grid display.
Yeah.
Shri, I have a question here for the ABAP memory.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, I didn't understand the usage here. Like now, anyhow, the variable is holding the value as Isha training, right?
Yep.
And as we said, like we are just this ABAP memory is limited to the current session that we are working in, right?
Mm.
So what is the use of exporting it to the main memory? Like what is the use case here? Because
Okay.
anyhow, LV data could be used anywhere directly, right? Because since it is available in the same session, right? So
Yep.
why we are putting it in the memory and again re-extracting it from the memory?
Okay. So as I mentioned, for example, after you are doing some operation here, okay, after this operation you are calling the class and methods here. Some method you are calling. Inside that method, uh, okay, sorry, method is not a good example. I can say we are reusing some other report program, using the summit program or call screen program or something. Or from here you are calling some other screen, okay, using the coding, okay, not like via the transaction code, using our ABAP code, you will be calling the screen. Syntax for it, for that is call screen 001. So inside the screen, again new program will be created automatically. In case if you want to reuse this LV data inside this call screen program or this another report program, you can reuse it. But what I meant, it will be specific to this specific session.
Screen,
Yeah,
screen
screen.
only.
So this call screen or report program is specific to this report program alone. Even this report program will not be if this is created separately globally, then you can go with the SAP memory. In case if you are creating some subroutine here, subroutine concept also is there, like using form and intent to reduce the number of lines of the code. So inside that subroutine also, you cannot reuse this. For that, we have to declare this globally. If you declare this globally, then you can reuse this anywhere. This LV data will be reused anywhere. This is a local variable which can be used only in this program, not inside the another report program or in some other screen programs. For that purpose, we used to export and import.
So local variable like and global, local and
Yeah,
global variable.
yes.
Oh no, Shri, it still didn't answer my question. So, defining a variable local or global, that is other story. My question is with respect to the memory and with respect to the current session. So why in the current session we are storing this variable in the memory and again importing it back? I know like defining it as a global variable or a local variable will have its own role, right? But with
Mm.
respect to memory concept, how we are uh, like what are the use cases here with respect to the memory?
Okay, just hold on this question. So I will write some logic. Okay, I will some write some logic. I will show it in the practical way for you. Then it will be maybe understood for you.
Okay, yeah, thank
Okay,
you.
yeah, maybe I will show it in the practical way. It will be useful for you. Okay, so any other questions apart from this between this SAP memory and ABAP memory?
No.
No, right? Okay, okay, okay. The next topic is uh, what is the next topic? Yeah, basic data types, operators, and expression. So once after completion of this module 2, then like you guys will gain some knowledge about data types, operator, looping statement, conditionals, and everything, right? Then you will be having some idea about how to create some basic program. So once you gain that knowledge, then I will create some logic and I will show you the use case of the ABAP memory. Okay?
Yeah, yeah, sure.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. The next concept is data types. How many of you know about the data types? What is data types?
So like character, integers.
Okay. Why it is used? Why we are using the data types? Why we are using characters, integer? What is the purpose of the usage? Any idea?
To store the data.
Yeah. To format or define the structure of the data to be stored in the specific variable. Not only the variable, it can be anything. You have to define the structure of the specific container, we can say. Okay. Okay. So in ABAP, we will be having two data types. One is elementary types, which will be having numeric, character. In character, we'll be having multiple things. like C is the character, date, and then numeric character, and then time. Okay, then we'll be having hexadecimal as well. Hexadecimal, and then we have some uh few more things there. Okay, yeah,
String.
integer 8, x string, string, everything. Okay, these are all comes under the elementary types. Then we have type 2, complex types. Complex types will be structure, table types, yeah, structure and table types.
Domain data element.
Yeah, that I will cover in the AC11 session. Okay, first we will see what is the data types. Data types is used to format or define the structure of the specific container. Okay, so do you all know like what is character and what is date format and what is numeric and everything, at least the basics? Anyone can answer?
No, sir, from my side.
Okay, okay, better, I will explain now. Okay, what is character? So in ABAP, let's see an example for the character. Let me open our
Alphabet
yeah.
A, B, C are characters, and
Yes, you're right. Not only alphabets, it can be anything. In for the character in ABAP, it will accept everything. For example, if you see this one now, I will change. This is our demo session program. I will change this LV name type as a C. Then I will print a LV name here. Let's see what is the output. Why we are getting only W here? See, in this LV name, we will, the LV name is a type of character and it's hold a value like welcome. But in the output screen, we are getting only Y, W, Y. Because in ABAP, for the character data type, we have to give the length of the character. So again, I will repeat here. Data keyword used to declare a particular variable or constant or anything. For data keyword is used for the declaration purpose. So now I am declaring a variable now. LV name type. I am saying it as a C. Then I will be giving some value. Okay. So how to specify the length here for this variable? You can specify something here like this. Sorry. Here. After the variable name, you can specify something like this. So here I'm saying already declared, it says, can see LV. Okay, so I'm saying this LV name can hold only 3 characters. So if you see, we will get who is waiting. Sorry, why this is not working?
We are not printing it, just declared it.
Yeah, yes, you're right. So I will paste this in the beginning. I will add name here. Think WEL. So you have to specify the length for it. So here we have two ways to specify the length. Either you can specify something like this, otherwise you can write length 3 or 5. Like this also you can write. So I have activated it. See now 5 characters is displaying. So character data type is not only for this alphabet. It can accept the alphanumeric as well. For example, welcome 1, 2, 3. Still it accepts. See, it's activated without any errors and it will display. Character can be used for anything, not only for the alphanumeric, even for the amount also we can use. For the decimal purpose also you can use. You can store. Okay, so character. Uh, Now everyone understand about the character data type, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Then what is integer? We can go to directly integer. Integer in the sense I.
Type numbers.
Yes, you are right. So integer only accept the numbers. So as you all know, for example, type is I. Now see, for integer we don't need to specify the length actually. See, internal error occur during runtime generation of program. Why? Dump ID, convert node number. Why we are getting this number? It's saying integer cannot hold the
Value.
alphabet as well. Yeah, alphabet's value it will not store. So in case if I remove this, then it will be get activated. See, the error gone. So integer can accept only the numeric values. So see 1, 2, 3. It's printed now. Integer can accept only numeric values. That is the integer. And then date. So these are all the predefined data types. Okay. What are all the predefined data types we have? Show you now. So I will create one thing here. Already exists. Nice. Data element. What we can say? Built-in type or domain we can use. Which one we can use now for our example?
So you can go directly to domain. There
I
we can
just
see
wanted
the
to
text
show the
information.
predefined data types. Okay. So here, if you see, these are all the predefined data types which you can be reused. So var c means it will be like absolute. I will show you the example. So string can accept only the alphabetic values. Okay, character string can accept only the alphabetic values. Then the numc numerical text. Numc can accept alphanumeric. Then we have like so many types of data types here. Integer dates. Dates format is for the for storing the date here. So in our program, always the dates for the date purpose, we'll be using the dates DATS data element or the type dates. It will be the format of this one, year, month, and date. So in case if you want to change this to our format, then you have to write the logic for it. You have to shift the value. Just simple. You have to change the value. This date you have to shift here. Here should be moved to the last, something like that. For that you have some two lines. You have to write some two lines of code. Then you can able to achieve that to our format like month, sorry, day, month, and year. So we will be having some predefined data types here, which can be used reused in our programs based on the requirement. So this is the about the data types. Okay, I can cover this one in the next class. Complex types, structure and table types. Any doubts till now? I know today is like it's very simple class. Any doubts?
No, sir.
No, Shri.
Okay. Okay, then after this session, I will be sharing you the documents for almost 3 classes is completed, right? Till now, I will send you the documents for you guys. So you can prepare that. Then later, if you have any doubts, you can ask me in the next session. And also, maybe from the next session onwards, I will be giving you the daily homework for you, like practice programs and everything from the next session. Because from maybe like what I'll be covering the next session. Next session will be looping statement, package creation, and the simple database query. Yeah. Next class I will be from the next class onwards I will be giving you the homework. So which where you have to practice and you have to see the ABAP language is very simple. The only thing is you have to think logically. That's it. What are all the ways we can implement this? So for like for the same logic we can implement in the different ways. So those logical thinking is required. I'm not saying it, you should have that logical thinking. It will come automatically if you come into the coding mode. It. Okay, thank you guys. We'll see you next session.
Thank you.
Yeah, bye.